What I have for you today is the Hovobo hand blender and versatile food processor. This does many things, so let's go ahead and start. First, I want to point out that you can very easily store the different attachments right on here. So let's take these off because I am going to show you the chopper first. So with the chopper, I've got some carrots in here. This blade, this whole assembly does come apart. All right. And then you see you've got lit up blue. You can see on here, this is 12 different speeds. And then also, you've got your regular power button and then your turbo. And then this just here kind of shows you some of the things you can use with the different attachments. I need to chop some carrots for some coleslaw. So let's give you a real, these are not cooked, these are raw carrots. Just some quick pulses. I can even go up, dial up the speed. And get a very nice chop for the carrots I want. Perfect. All right, so now, and then to just disattach or disengage, you're going to just hit these two buttons right here on the side. There's one there and one there. You just squeeze and pull it out. So the next part of this that you get is also an immersion blender. That snaps on like this. One really nice thing about this immersion blender is this extra coating here on the bottom. This will allow you to use this in your pans. If you've got like coated pans, this will not scratch the pan. So this is an extra bonus. And then you've got the 4 titanium blades right there. So now what I'm going to use this for is I'm actually going to make a coleslaw dressing, a salad dressing. So we're going to stick this in here. Turn this up a little bit. This is also great, the immersion blender. You can use this in hot items. So if you're cooking down tomatoes to maybe make a sauce, you're cooking those tomatoes down, this can go right in that hot pan and you can start using it. So there is another way to use it. Ooh, the dressing looks fantastic. Again, simple squeeze and the attachment comes off. It also has a milk frother. So when you want that frothy milk on your coffee, your iced coffee, again, this can do both hot and cold. And you can use regular milk. You can use like a plant-based milk, but just to give you a lot of options. Let me turn that down. And then if you can see, got that nice frothy milk. So this does have many different attachments you can use to it. And let me with some eggs too. And another attachment you can use with this is the whisk. Well, that is very powerful. Again, is just a very, very powerful kitchen tool that you can use. The Hovobo hand blender and food processor. I'm very excited to do more things with this, but really has a lot of great features.